Good afternoon, everybody. We are back. It's still nice outside, 72 degrees. It's a little... Look at the reverse unicorn. What is going on with that? All right, I do realize I need to cut my hair, but that was just a little crazy. We got Dark Bro F.I. Dlurostit. Firstly in the chat, Shiba Inu or X Shiba to the moon, Dark Bro, Frank, Bree Guy, Frank, Dark Bro, Nick F. Good afternoon to you, Nick F. Next level no toast, Michael Allen. What's going on, Mike? Frank, we got Dark Bro, new photo, Puto. Hope Glable ordered pizza. I'm hungry. Let's get started. Let's jump into the market, guys, and see what's going on this afternoon. AMC going down into the afternoon. Only down 0.43% of the day today. Not a bad move at all, but couldn't hang on to the gains that it had earlier. Moving up to 947, closing the day at 924. Shiba Inu coin sitting pretty steady after a volatile morning today. Hitting 825, 825 points per coin, dropping back down to 750, I think. 757, and now back up to 777, not doing too much this afternoon. GameStop, 1351 at the close, down 1.5%. We got QQQ finishing at 343.66 with some volatility coming in after hours. I believe Amazon is reporting earnings or may have just reported earnings. Now, that might be why you're seeing some green lines. We'll check Amazon out in a second here. It's at the top of the list. NASDAQ, 176 lower today. AMC, 924. GameStop, 1351. 7.1 cents on Dogecoin. Ethereum almost back up to 1,800 points per coin, guys. Ethereum looking pretty good. Shiba Inu coin, 783. $34,091 on Bitcoin, up from 33.9 a minute ago, 33.7 a couple hours ago. The SPY closing down heavy today, 1.17% lower. QQQ, 1.91% lower today. Big loss on the QQQ. Mullen Auto, 31 cents. Mullen's bouncing back, guys. Another 20%. Mullen Auto, volatility kicking in. Crazy. Mullen was touching 36 cents earlier today, and I had no idea. Sundial continues to close lower, 0.73% to the downside. Netflix, 403.54, 1.87% lower on the day. Highcroft Mining, 26 cents. Highcroft Mining, guys, hit a new all-time low today, 24.50. Finally breaking down through this support level. Boom, boom, boom. Watch out for Highcroft Mining now. Adam Aaron's investment is down well below levels that it was ever at when he let his hedge fund buddies out and off the hook. I believe it was back here. It was trading at about 28 cents. He announced that he was getting in. All of his hedge fund buddies got out, and it has seen nothing but losses ever since. So the crook Adam Aaron getting all his hedge fund friends out of Highcroft Mining and dumping on retail investors, now at an all-time low. Not a good look. MPW, 516. MPW bouncing back beautifully today. 15.70% higher. Man, running nicely from the 444 prices yesterday to 515 today. MPW looking good. Tesla closing the day at 205.76, selling off into the afternoon there off the 209s. Volatility, ladies and gentlemen. Amazon earnings, they must be good. We can take a look at them in a second. $125 per share on Amazon. Apple sitting at $166.75. Let's see if Amazon's earnings are out. What do we got? Let's see. No, 21 minutes ago is the latest news that we got from Amazon there. So we'll have to see if you guys got the numbers already, just let us know. But it looks like Amazon's got some good earnings out there. Dude, been looking at the time. Didn't even realize it was 4. You know it. About to finish the day at the dump. And then maybe later, taking one. Oh, my God. Nice, Chris. JK, hello everybody. What's going on, Chris? Glad to have you in here, man. High Rollers family in the house. Vegasino token, love your content. Eyeball. Vegasino, man. We haven't looked at that in a couple of days. Vegasino is coming back down to test some support lines. Let's see if it's jumping back or not. Hope AMC goes down to the dirt. Down, and nothing but down. Yeah, and it probably, it very well could. Let's just put it that way. Everybody driving but listening, Tim, glad to have you, man. You think that's, you think that is a good look at Mullen? Look, I don't think Mullen is anything, okay? I don't think Mullen is anything good. It's nice to see that Mullen has taken 2 legs up over the last 3 days. But, dude, every time Mullen Auto sees any sort of a gain, it does nothing but dump off afterwards. So please be careful. Back here, Mullen Auto ran from 40 cents all the way up to 75 cents. Very nice move. Could be similar to Mullen Auto going from 22 cents up to 42 cents. I mean, we might run back up to 42 here. You might see another gain similar to that one. But every single time, dude, look at the daily. Every single time you have any sort of a nice little rally in Mullen Auto, it leads to losses. So I'm not going to touch Mullen. If you want to touch Mullen, go for it. But, dude, it's almost incomprehensible how it only goes lower. It's crazy to me how it only goes lower. Bitcoin, down on the bottom left-hand side of the screen. Keep it on there and watch it close. MPW is from earnings. MPW ripping on the earnings there. And you know what? Surprising. They must have had such a good earnings report because interest rates are higher than ever. And if they're able to turn a profit, man, with these high of interest rates, they're going to be doing very well. I mean, I don't know if they're going to affect their dividend at all. But yeah, dude, being a real estate investment trust with, what do they got? Like medical buildings that they rent out to hospitals and so on. Dude, that's got to be tough with interest rates as high as they are, knowing that they don't own all those buildings cash outright. Yeah, that's actually very impressive that they're able to post solid earnings for a 15+% gain despite everything that's going on in the interest rate department. WALC token launches on the 31st on Bitmart token. JB, what is this Bitmart token, man? Is it Bitmart? Will be interesting to see this bull run, especially with these ETFs waiting to yeah, dude. And I agree. Now, I don't agree that the SEC is guaranteed to pass these ETFs and allow them to come to be. I absolutely think it's possible for the SEC to deny these ETFs. But, dude, if they allow them, I think we're going to have a pretty confident return to the cryptocurrency space and a very nice bull market, man. Let's yeah, I know about FFIE. I had some options on FFIE for a while, and then I held FFIE for a little while before it split. Dude, it has gotten destroyed since the split. Let's see. Highcraft announced a reverse split effective November 15th. Gotcha. That's why they're getting devastated there. FFIE is an interesting one. I believe these guys make electric scooters, right? I could be wrong, but I believe these guys make electric scooters. I hate this price action. So FFIE sitting down here with just nothing but barcoding price, and the daily is crazy. So after the split, 1 for 80. Yeah, I was in FFIE back in this area right here. Actually did very well, and then I don't know when I had I'd sold some puts on it and got in and maybe took a little loss trying to get out. I forget exactly what time frame, but no longer own FFIE. I was in this area right here, but FFIE, dude, doing nothing but treading water at this dollar mark right now. Good news is, okay, this almost seems manipulated at this dollar line, but the good news is it's maintaining this $1 mark. The bad news is if it falls through this level of support, boom, you're gonna see a pretty tough decline. So I would watch out for that, man. They reverse split here, right, on this news at about $15 a share, and this was 2 months ago exactly, like 26th to the 26th. They reverse split, immediately dump off like 50, it's about a 30% decline. Immediately dump off 30%, and they've lost 90% since then. So they've lost over 90% just since they reverse split. They're sitting on a market cap of $19 million right now, which is very low. I'm not going to be able to pull up financials, but I don't think these guys have any revenue. I don't think those guys have any revenue. But, dude, anytime it gets this stagnant, this is like as stagnant as it's ever been on FFIE, But if you see a gain on FFIE, take it. This is another stock that only ever wants to go down, man. If you see a nice little rally, don't be afraid to take your profit and move on with your life after that one. When Shiba listing, Dark Bro, you're gonna have to negotiate with these exchanges now. If you want the Shiba listing, you're gonna have to get the Shiba listing, dude. Do you think those guys are gonna just sit there and work when you've got a 50% holding? It's your job to get it listed now, man. And if you do, hey, Dark Bro, since the contract has been renounced, dead serious, if you wanted to, you could start like an Shib Twitter account. You could start an Shib TikTok. You could start an Shib, man. I mean, you own 42 or 45% of the entire supply. You could start your accounts, and now you're the owner of Shib, man. Dead serious. I mean, the contract has been renounced. You know, you could make it very clear that you did not start the coin, but the same way the stupid Shiba Inu coin shams came in, just make it apparent, you know? Say you didn't start it. Don't create some stupid story about Ryoshi. Just say, you know, look, I didn't start it. I believe in it. Contract's been renounced. I think it's good. And I'm going to try and make something happen with it. But yeah, dude, the ball's in your court on that one now. Let's see. We all love crypto, what it stands for, as its own utility in the form of bank-to-bank transactions for the FX market. You are right, JB. Hey, could Gary G get fired or do the vote on that kind of... I don't think he's elected. I think he's appointed. Let me look. Okay, so yeah, he's appointed, man. U.S. Securities and gosh, dude. Look, I don't even hold on. I don't want to look at that dude right there. Gary Gensler was nominated by President. This is just a terrible article. Served as chair of the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission on February 3rd, 2021. Confirmed by the U.S. Senate on April 14th, 2021, and sworn into office on April 17th, 2021. So yeah, these guys are appointed, man. So therefore, he could be fired, but it's not an elected position. They would have to appoint somebody else, and I mean, I don't know if they're going to appoint anybody else or not. It seems like that would be the least of their concerns at the moment. Let's see. They also will be at NearCon in Lisbon, Portugal on the 9th of November. Solid Docs team. Well, hey, JB, that actually sounds pretty good. You got a docs team for Shib as well. Dark Bro right here. How the heck do you do that? Not starting the accounts. Well, dude, if you start the accounts, man, you know, technically you could start the accounts if you want. As far as, like, getting a listing on exchanges, dude, I don't know how you go about it, but just get your Twitter account and go message those exchanges. Somebody is going to answer you and say, hey, I've got a coin right here. Contract's been renounced. I would like to get a listing. What do I have to go through? And I mean, they might look at it. CoinMarketCap's probably the first place I would look at it, getting it listed, right, and tracked. But I don't know what their requirements are at all, man. No idea. It's going to be 50% soon. This dude's a freaking whale, man. What price do you think Lunk will hit in the next bull run? And you know what, Dark Bro, if you really wanted to start up Shib, you could set up some roadmaps for Shib. Like, yeah, you know, I'm going to burn 10% of the supply when we get 1,000 holders. Dude, you might shoot the price of Shib up to a $10,000 market cap. You might say, when Shib gets to a $10,000 market cap, I'm going to burn 10% of the supply. When it gets to $1 million market cap, I'm going to burn 50%. Don't say 50 because then you're going to burn everything. But, you know, when it gets to a $10 million market cap and you're sitting on $3 million, say you're going to give somebody a Lamborghini. Shoot, dude, you'd have $3 million. You could go buy one. Dude, with the fact that you own 50% of the supply right now on a renounced contract, ball's in your court, Dark Bro. Ball is in your court. price do you think Lunk will hit? Ollie. Somebody asked me this either in the earlier live stream or yesterday. It is so heavily dependent, man, on whether or not these developers abandon Terra Luna Classic before the next bull market. If they abandon Terra Luna Classic and the community dies out, I believe that the price of Terra Luna Classic will not, I mean, it will rise a little bit because people buy anything, but it's going to be nowhere near the billions of dollars in valuation that we want to see. If people continue working on it and continue building for the equity that they will receive in terms of capital gains, if that's what we see, a committed team, committed to building for the next bull market, wow, dude, I mean, I easily think that we could go back to 5, 6, 7, maybe even $10 billion in valuation, and all of a sudden you're looking at a 10, 15, 20x gain. But please know, those are predictions. That has nothing, there's no analysis behind that other than the fact that when it ran in 2022, I believe we were around a $6 billion valuation. So therefore, if it's going to be running, and it could have been like a $4 or $5 billion valuation. I forget exactly what it was. But yeah, that's basically based on the previous run when people were excited just about burns and staking returning. But if everybody leaves, dude, please be careful with it. Does anyone know if the new Speaker of the House does he like crypto? I actually have no idea, Richard. I have no idea. Point is, I don't even want to say it, Nufo. I don't even want to say it. Like, what the heck? No, don't do it. I was saying no, not the account. I mean, I know how to start a Twitter and all that, but I mean, I don't know how to get it listed on exchanges. Yeah, Dark Bro, I don't know how to get it listed on exchanges either. I don't know if they require a certain amount of holders. I don't know if they require you to give them a certain amount of tokens or if they require a certain market cap. I'll say this, dude, or a certain amount of liquidity. I highly doubt that they will be listing a coin that has a $200 market cap. You know what I mean? Like, I just highly doubt that they will. They need to make money as well. And yes, they're going to be doing so through their trading fees, but I don't know if they require a certain interest level in the coin before they list it. Clearly, if you're willing to give them coins, they're probably more likely to list it out there. But then again, dude, if you're going to give them like $12 worth of coins, I highly doubt that that's going to entice them to list it. Let's see. You might have to buy another 250 million, then get to work. Dark Bro, let's get started. I need Pika Secretary. I just pay everything. Kind of sound like Michael Allen. There you go, dude. You're in good company if you're sounding like Michael Allen. Crazy day for... I have not looked at Gala at all today, Razvan. Let's see what Gala is doing. Look what I just built at work. Largest cable junction I've ever had to build. Frank, man, that thing looks crazy. I don't know what it does, but that thing looks pretty crazy, dude. Hopefully it works. Let me... Gala is what I wanted to... Ooh. Alright, today was a pretty crazy day for Gala. Gala's shooting back up from 1.5 cents to 2 cents. Back down to 1.7, back up to 1.8 cents right now. So volatility definitely picking back up for Gala. Gala going from 1.2 cents all the way up to 2 cents right there. A 42 or 41% increase over the last 7 days and 34% increase over the last month. But on the year, it is still down, man. Hopefully, Gala starts ripping back up from those 1.2 cent levels and ends up going back up to 6 cents or even all-time highs of 70 cents a coin. That would be beautiful. Man, dude, rolling from a $400 million market cap to a $4 billion market cap. All right, you're looking at a 10x increase, but the price would be going up much more than 10x. So they have introduced a lot of coins into the market since then, and they probably flooded the market in this area right here and made a lot of money, man. That's probably what they did. I don't know if that's what they did or not, but they probably flooded the market with a lot of coins back in this area. Coming back here. I was up over 20%. I have some gal. Hey, Razvan, man, did you take any profit or are you letting it ride? I've not looked at Pepe at all either. What's up, Clay, bro? Much love. Who? Mike Jones. Who? Mike Jones. What's going on, Mike Jones? Glad to have you, man. Let's take a look at Pepe because I have not seen Pepe all day today. Pepe's been, Pepe #1 trending coin. All right. Pepe #1 trending coin is still doing $370 million. It is sitting at number 16 in terms of overall volume. That is nuts. But Pepe, man, Pepe looking pretty stinking strong over the last 7 days with a 96% gain in the last week, going from 6 points per coin to 12 points per coin. Pepe showing some strength over the last week, over the last month. On the year, it is still down. But, dude, it's testing some pretty strong levels of resistance now. Pepe had fallen pretty fast, found some support, and then Elon Musk tweeted a Pepe meme back here. Must have been on June 20th or June 21st, or someday in June. He tweeted that Pepe meme, and it shot back up pretty heavy, about doubling in price. And then has done nothing but come down since then. It's shooting back up right now and gathering some strength. So, yeah, man, Pepe is looking pretty good. So, if I bought another 250 million with the current price, that'll be about $96. And this dude's going to own what now? 60. Dark Bro, if you own all of it, you're going to have to give some of it away if you ever want people to buy it. Where Floki? Let's check Floki out as well. It distributes RF signal and directional AC on the cable plant. Yep. That is what it does. That is what it does, Frank. I hope that's what it does. I don't know if that's what it does or not, man. Yikes. Floki doing well today. Floki's up 22% on the day today. Floki's sitting at 36 points, or 364, whatever we're looking at there. 4 zeros and a 36.28 for Floki. On the week, it's up 100% on the week. My goodness, man. Floki going from 18 to 36. On the month, it's up 132%. Man, I don't know where you guys sitting in Floki at, but shoot. I mean, you do have a little resistance in the area that it's testing right now, but Floki looking pretty strong over the last month. My goodness. I don't know. If you guys got Floki, congratulations if you've been adding in at all over the last month. That's incredible. Especially if you got it on a leverage position. My gosh, that'd be crazy. Clear to the bull run start. Omid Demo. Now, let me say this a couple different ways. Yes, the bull run has started. But I believe that the bull run could have actually started back in December of 2022, January of 2023. Why? I'm going to go to the Bitcoin cyclical chart here, and you guys can see it. Ran in 2013, bottomed at the end of 2014. Ran in 2017, bottomed at the end of 2018. Ran in 2021, bottomed in the end of 2022. So it runs at the end of that 4-year cycle, and it bottoms at the end of the following year. It has done that every single time for the last 3 cycles. It ran, bottomed a year later. It ran, it bottomed a year later. It ran, it bottomed a year later. So theoretically, the bull market could have started here. But as you'll notice, you don't get that exponential run until 4 years later. This was 2013. Exponential run takes place in 2017. This was, the run was 2017. Exponential run doesn't start until 2021. Exponential run was 2021. I mean, if we're following the same pattern, right, the exponential run is not going to start until 2025. So you do have some volatility, as you can see. I mean, this is volatile, right? Nice runs here, 3x gains, right back down. Then it rips. Nice runs here, right back down, then it rips. There's so much that can come into play right now that I'm going to say yes, the bull market or the bottom of the market would have started at the end of 2022, and now we're in the accumulation phase until we begin to rip higher in 2025. Obviously, we could, the world could spiral out of control. We could be in WW3 here in the next week. The SEC could come out and deny a Bitcoin ETF. Everything could just be going downhill and getting worse, and then ruin all those projections. Exact opposite could happen, and crypto could take off. Please tell me, did you guys see any of that? I don't even know if you saw any of it now. I don't know if I just clicked on a button or not. Isn't there some GBTC versus SEC deadline tomorrow? Lucas, there could be, but I don't know if that was just about the appeal or if they actually need to make a decision tomorrow. That part I do not know. I was going to buy even more because we have time to see the gains. I didn't take any profits. Very nice, Razvan. Very nice, man. I hope it rips back up to 10, 15 cents for you. Most exchanges charge a fee and additional. Might want to charge percentages of supply. Some exchanges require that plus volume. All depends on the exchange you're aiming for. Good luck, bro. There you go, man. At that point, I would own 12. Oh, my gosh. 75% of the supply. This dude is crazy. Pepe has a lot of potential in the next bull run, too. It does, man. Razvan, Pepe has been holding up very well. Golly bomb, dude. Look at this gain. This all-time gain since Bitcoin started getting tracked in this area back here. 700. 241,000. 55 million% gain. 55 million% gain in Bitcoin. Since it was listed, like since CoinMarketCap has its prices on here, clearly Bitcoin is like an infinite gain if you go back to when it was absolutely worthless and nobody wanted it for a penny. But that is crazy, man. Oh my gosh. At that point, I would win 75%. If Floki drops some zeros, I'm going to be happy. JB, very nice, man. We need a What Would Chip Bro Do segment on Claybro Live. We do need that. And it would most likely store some seeds and eat some sunflower seeds. What's up, Claybro? The AMC Trapper in the house, baby. What's going on, AMC Trapper? So glad to have this man back in here. My gosh. Pepe is going to be the biggest coin for meme coins. This coming bull run, my thoughts anyways. Yeah, Richard. So Pepe sitting on more volume. You can see $371 million done in Pepe today. And then Shiba Inu coin. Shiba Inu coin picking up volume today. $341 million done in Shib and $371 million done in Pepe. So Pepe is still outperforming Shiba Inu coin in terms of overall volume, which I believe is, that's crazy, dude. Shiba Inu coin's got such a strong community. I don't know how Pepe is maintaining volume levels above Shib. What's up, Trapper? Trapper sneaking in here. Yes, he is, man. What's up, bro? Clay, it's actually already listed on CoinMarketCap. Yeah, but are they pulling it from Dex Tools, or does it have an actual listing? Is it this one? No, it's not this one. Yeah, they're just pulling this. This isn't actually, I don't think this is actually listed on CoinMarketCap here. This is, dang, man. Dark Bro, that price is looking good, up 208%. Your buys are working, man. If this was actually listed on CoinMarketCap, it would look similar to the page you see here. You know, with like Shiba Inu coin, having all the stats right here. What this is doing is pulling directly from Dex Tools. This page has been automatically created using on-chain data and unverified information. Please do your own research. Want this token listed? You got to click here. Voting is one of several factors used to determine listing priorities. It does not guarantee the token will get listed. Okay. I probably have to sign in. Yeah. You got to sign in to do this. But if you want this token listed, man, you'd have to come in here and vote yes, and of course that doesn't guarantee that it gets listed or not. Or you can get into contact with CoinMarketCap, and then when it gets listed, you know, that's when it shows up here, right? It's either going to show up there or recently added. You know, you'd easily be able to see it here. So Joe Coin, Tarmax, Apu, all of these coins were recently added to CoinMarketCap. And it looks like they listed a couple a day. So yesterday they listed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 coins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 coins. 1, 2, 3, 4 coins. So, you know, they don't list a ton of coins a day. They can't list everything. But this is what's been listed over the last couple of days here. And look, man, this one's down 50% in the last 24 hours. Down 35% in the last 24 hours. That's a wild volume if that's correct. Wild volume for a coin that was just listed. But dude, look at these people that go out there and buy these coins once they're listed on CoinMarketCap, man. I mean, lowest volume is $57, but you're seeing coins doing $100,000, $2,000, $60,000. Dark Bro, if they started doing $60,000 in a couple $100 market cap coin like yours, that'd be nuts. Nufo says for AMC Trapper better be paying attention right now. Trap, you peel that banana, you tilt the head back a little bit, you lick that banana, and you stick it, and you got to maintain that eye contact the entire time. AMC Trapper getting that lick and stick action from Nufo, thank you very much for the super chat. Coming back down, we got another one from Trap to Nufo to Puto. Ahoo! Boom, baby, boom, baby, boom. Ahoo! Boom, baby, boom. AMC Trapper to Nufo to AMC Trapper. Loving that camaraderie right there, man. Bros are in the house right now. Trap, Nufo, thank you guys very much for the super chats. Appreciate both of you on that one. And that's what I'm talking about, man. Not the banana, bro. I ain't watching that, JB. You done watched it. I know you did. Clint used your link to sign up for Weeble 2 days ago. Is there a minimum deposit for you to get credit? Old rounder. Normally, dude, they changed the minimum deposit like often. It's never been above $100, so if you deposit at least $100, you'll be fine. Normally, it's $0. Like you just $1 deposit would be fine. There's no minimum, so you do have to make a deposit. But I think for the month of September, they told me it was $100. I don't remember if they told me a minimum for October. So it might be $100 minimum deposit for that. But I mean, dude, if you don't have $100, you can deposit whatever. And then I just think that was the last one I saw was $100. And I think that's what I still got in my description there. Hey Clay, pull up the ball swap Certic score. It just updated top 20. Now look at the market cap, the other projects in the top 20, and tell me this thing is going to go nuclear the bull run. Brian, I'll pull it up in 2 seconds here. Pika power! Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. What are we waiting for, Pika? I want to know. Pika in the chat right now. Thank you very much for being in here, and thank you very much for the super chat. Appreciate you on that one, Pika Power. And I'm still waiting. I'm still waiting. All right. So we're going to look at Paul Swap as well. He wants to look at this one. I know Paul Swap's got like a 92 Certic score. Yeah, we'll pull that up. Pika Power! Thank you very much for the... Oh my gosh, now everything's wet. Authorized hydration. Thank you very much for the authorized hydration. I'm going one more, man. Pika, thank you very much for the authorized hydration. I was waiting for it. I got it, and I loved it. Pika, thank you very much. We get AMC Trapper, thank you very much. And Nufo, thank you guys very much for the super chats. Appreciate all of you, man. Let's see. Frank said the Roth long-term retirement portfolio closed down 1.57% today, which is not bad. You still beat the market, Frank. Today's top stocks, SRET, USB, and today's champion, of course, MPW. Dude, that must have been a tough loss today with MPW. And 35 shares of Coney sold at a profit. Very, very nicely done on that one, Frank. With MPW ripping 15% today, that must have been a pretty tough loss on some of the other ones there. I know it had to have been. It was a brutally red day. Clay, does your love of your life still turn up the Spanish? Dude, we haven't seen Juana in a very long time, man. We haven't seen Juana in a very long time. I don't know when the last time we saw Juana was, actually. Bro, SAYC is over 65% minted already. That is the Shiba Ape Yacht Club, right? Crypto Master, you guys are minting out on that NFT project. Wow. Pica Barbuto. Ah, yes, Nufo de Pulto. Ah, man, you guys are all over the Pulto. Ads. Oh, just call me T. You're going to get the ads. Thank you very much for reminding me that it is 4:30. Boom, man. Let me know if you skipped the first one or if you skipped the second one. Ceratic audit for Paul Swap, sitting at 92.49, a AA rating. It is the top 20 coin that Ceratic has ever audited. That is huge, man. They got great fundamental health, great operational resilience, great governance strength, great market stability, great community trust, great code security as well. Yeah, man, these guys are top notch when it comes to their scores right here. Literal top notch when it comes to these scores. I got no complaints when it comes to Ceratic's audit. They're actually better off than Shiba Inu coin is, which I think is absolutely crazy. J-Bones! Yes, man. You guys have no idea. But I have been waiting for this super chat for a stinking week, man. For a stinking week. After last week. Hold on. I've been waiting for this super chat for a week. Oh my goodness. Thank you very much, J-Bones, for the La Pica Pica, La Pica Pica, La Pica 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 Pica, La Pica 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 Pica, La Pica Pica, La Pica Pica, La Pica 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 Pica, La Pica 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 Pica, La Pica Pica, La Pica Pica, La Pica 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 Pica, La Pica 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 Pica. Last time, you guys better do it with me. La Pica Pica, La Pica Pica, La Pica 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 Pica, La Pica 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 Pica. Yes, J-Bones, man. Loving that right there. Oh my gosh. I've been waiting for some. I didn't want to tell anybody about it because I didn't want to spoil the surprise. But I have been waiting so long for somebody to send that stinking super chat. And I love it, J-Bones. I love it. You have unlocked, you have unleashed the Pika Pika, man. Thank you very much for that super chat, J-Bones. Killing it, man. Oh, I got another one that came right after that. Brian Searing. Thank you for the super chat as well. Thanks, Clay. I'm pumped about seeing this. Going to be fun. Dude, it's going to be an amazing bull run. Brian, we absolutely could dip back down. The SEC could throw a wrench in our parade. We could see, WW3 breakout somewhere so YouTube doesn't get mad at the words that I say. But, yeah, dude, if we are well on our way to that next bull run starting, I hope the worst of it is behind us, man. And I am super excited about the gains to finally be stepping back in, man. J-Bones, dude, thank you very much. This is some bull market vibe stuff right here. Razvan, yes it is, man. Yes it is. Man's got too much time. Dude, you can never have too much time, JB. You can never have too much time. Just joined in. Boromir, glad to have you, and hopefully you're ready to have some fun, man. Pika is officially a prop. Oh, it is, man. Oh, it is. And J-Bones, gosh, man, I can't say thanks enough because I've literally been waiting for somebody to send that thing for a week now, and you finally did. Hey, I'm still confused about the Shibarium Bridge Vault. If scarcity increases the price, how does the vault not show up as a burn? If doesn't, then price doesn't go up. Also, circulation supply is wrong then. So think of it like staking, right? Think of it like staking. So when you move your coins and they're staked, you theoretically take them out of circulation. Yes, the coins that are moved over or bridged to Ethereum are theoretically, staked. They're not tradable on the Ethereum blockchain anymore. They should be removed not from the total supply, but from the circulating supply. Now, just because it's removed from the circulating supply and not the total supply doesn't mean that it is burned or something. It's different if you burn it on Shibarium or, if you lose it to a validator or something like that. But I really don't know how CoinMarketCap is going to handle it. So I really don't know if you're confused. I think you know what you're thinking there. I think you're on the right train of thought. Scarcity raises price. How does the vault not show up as burns? Because when you're vaulted, you're just locked up. Same as staking a cryptocurrency. You can always get it back onto the blockchain. And that's the issue there. Can the coins that are burned on Shibarium one day be introduced back to the Ethereum blockchain? Whether it be through some sort of a master key, reminting new tokens and swapping them back over through the bridge and tricking the bridge into thinking that they were the original tokens. Because there's nothing necessarily to say that these were the Shib moved over. It's not like an NFT, right? You can sparse and cut tokens all up, and you never know really which tokens were moved over. So in that case, I don't know if somebody could trick the vault into unlocking tokens back on the Ethereum blockchain, even if they were burned on Shibarium. Someone needs to do the Superman one now. Oh my gosh, nobody needs. I don't have a Superman prop. I didn't buy a Superman prop. What about the British love of Clay Bros Live? The eyelash extent, dude. She's actually listen. If you guys don't follow her Instagram account, she kills it on the eyelashes, man. She still does very well. Lauren. I gotta say her name correctly. Lauren, not Lauren. That's just an American name. Lauren. So Lauren is probably doing pretty well with her eyelashes over there. It's going to be awkward when PDP comes back. Gosh, dude. I hope PDP comes back at some point. It might be a little awkward. But dude, when you take a 2-year hiatus, of course things are going to be awkward. But we will welcome that man back home like he never left, and you know we will. Wait, when is the SEC thing supposed to happen? Chris, I don't know if they have a deadline on when they need to approve or deny this ETF, because there are multiple ETF applications. So let's just say, for example, and for whatever reason, the SEC says no to Grayscale. That does not mean, I mean, it is likely, but it does not mean that they're going to say no to BlackRock, or that they're going to say no to Franklin Templeton, or that they're going to say no to Vanguard, or ARK Invest. You know, they could say no ARK, no Grayscale, yes BlackRock, yes Franklin Templeton. And I, you know, it might just be like pay the mafia type of a deal. Pay off Gary Gensler, and you get yours approved. If you don't pay your dues, you're getting denied. You know, I don't know who's going to get approved and who's going to get denied, but I don't know, you know, if there's any specific deadlines that we're going to see each of these things pass by. Happy birthday. Hey, Guy Postal, is it your birthday? If it's your birthday, man, I'm going to sing to you. Always love the energy, bro. Boromir, perfect. Dark, bro. Thank you very much. Dude, I'm about to do it. 75. Dark, bro. Dude, you can't own 75% of the supply unless you are prepared to write that roadmap out, and you get ready to burn it all, man. Get these people interested in Shib. Make that bad boy jump up in value. Burn some of it. Get them talking. Say, hey, we're going to burn at 100 holders. We're going to burn at 200. We're going to burn at 1,000. We're going to burn at 10,000, man. Dude, Dark Bro, do some marketing. I know you can do it. Trap, boom, punch. What's going on, man? Do you think ApeCoin? Oh, whew. All right, so I do think that ApeCoin's got a future, but it's an interesting one, okay? ApeCoin has been heavily correlated to the progress and success of Yuga Labs. I think Yuga Labs is most successful with its Bored Ape Yacht Club and its NFT platforms. If NFTs make a comeback, I think that ApeCoin is going to have a phenomenal comeback. If NFTs do not make a comeback, ApeCoin is going to be in a lot stickier of a situation. So I would say that ApeCoin is heavily correlated with the success of Yuga Labs and the underlying NFT projects that it has out there. If you believe in those projects, yes, it might be a little bit more difficult. But guys, people said the same thing about crypto. People said the same thing about Bitcoin. Said the same thing about altcoins. They've said the same thing for the last decade. That, oh, well, they've had their fun. They were here today, gone tomorrow. And they're never going to make a comeback. And then every cycle we hit all-time highs. So I guess whatever you believe there, man. I think that ApeCoin could have a future if Yuga Labs has a future. So that the SEC has 7 days left for the lawsuit on XRP. Is that true? I don't even know what the lawsuit is anymore on XRP. Is it... I don't know if that's true or not. Yeah, I don't know if there's necessarily a timeline on it. What you're looking at here, several different articles being written, but even this one here talking about a potential end when this happens. This article is probably going to say, well, it's going to end when they settle. So I don't know if there's necessarily a specific end to the lawsuit or a timeline that anybody can concretely post. Off-topic question. What webcam do you use? Oh, I'm using my Samsung Galaxy S20. I don't use a webcam. I use my phone. I use my phone to record the videos, and I use my phone as the webcam. So you might be able... Usually it flashes. I don't know. Usually it flashes like Irian webcam, maybe up in the top left-hand corner. But yeah, dude, if you download IRIUN, if you download that app, you can turn your webcam, or you can turn your phone into a webcam for your computer. So if you don't want to go out and buy one, download Irian webcam, and you might. I could have swore I had a little watermark that shows up here every once in a while. I don't know why it's not showing up right now. But, yeah, dude, who cares about the watermark, right? I don't care about the watermark. If you don't want to buy a webcam, don't buy a webcam. Let's see. Thank you, Eddie. Absolutely, man. At the pumpkin patch with my daughter. Now, that has to be a good evening. Good afternoon. That's going to be a good afternoon for you. It's not even evening over there yet, Pudgy. I'm really half tempted to take it over and start making it into something. Dark Bro, you've already taken it over. I mean, you're already going to have to donate some of those coins in order to get exchanges on board or to do some marketing with and so on, man. But, yeah, you never see anybody owning 70% of the supply, or 50% of the supply, or 30% of the supply, right? Unless that is a wallet dedicated to burning or a wallet dedicated to giveaways and stuff like marketing wallet or developer wallet or something like that. So, yeah, you could, man. Pepe isn't slowing down. I like it, Giovanni. Thanks for the answer. I believe the same is the smallest of my portfolio, but I will not sell them. Good deal, man. That sounds great, Pudge. It really does. I like pumpkin patches. Those things are fun. Awesome, Pudge. You're making memories, broski. That's what I'm talking about. Is there a corn maze? That's what everybody wants to know. You got to go in the corn maze, Pudgy. If there's a corn maze, you got to go. Hey, bro, I need a poll. Should I buy 75% and make something out of it? Guys, answer. I hate taking up the chat. Not rhetorical. Answer. Should Dark Bro buy 75% of X Shiba? Should he buy 75% of X Shib? Right here. This is Dark Bro. He already owns 46% of the supply. He's literally going to be buying the rest of the supply. Dark Bro, you got to leave some for other people to buy, though, man. I'm telling you. You got to leave some for other people to buy. Maybe 50%. Because people are going to need to buy it too, man. If you buy it all, they're going to have to buy it off of you to create value. That's what you're going to have to figure out, man. You're going to have to get some more liquidity in that liquidity pool. They'll pump up the price there. I don't know how else you're going to do that if you buy that large of the supply. So, I mean, dude, I don't think it's going to try and... You know what, Dark Bro? Just, if you want to have some fun, like if you're not stressed out with all the work you got going on and everything, maybe go 50% or something. Just another couple bucks. But it is a very low token with a very small amount in the liquidity pool. So, I'm not saying, like, you know, go out $200. If you lose $200, it's going to suck, right? But it's not gonna end anything. So dude, test it. I mean, that's how people learn is testing things. Reverse engineer it, man. See what you can do with it with no real expectations for it to turn into a multi-million-dollar project. But if you figure out, all right, well, dude, this worked. You know, I posted a couple TikTok videos about this coin, and I own 50% of the supply and promised to burn 10% at 1,000 holders. Promise to burn. You figure out, like, if a roadmap works, if incentives work, if giveaways work, if it's all burns that these people want. If marketing is a lot harder than some people claim it to be. Dude, I don't see a problem at all with testing that and seeing what you're actually capable of doing there. I don't see a problem. Yeah, bro, SAYC is on fire. NFTs are banging. Even Shitoshi said he was impressed. Very nice. Crypto Master. Quality looks amazing. I need to try that. Hey, Eddie, man. Irian. And I don't even get, like, I don't even get an affiliate link from Irian. IUN. Easy. And you can either do it, you can either, like, plug it in, keep it plugged into your computer. I don't have it plugged into my computer. Mine's just hooked up through Wi-Fi right now. I got it plugged in because it drains the battery relatively quickly when you're using it, when you get the camera on for an hour. But, yeah, man, I say give it a shot. Claybrow's webcam solely used for YouTube. Nufo, are you talking about solely used for YouTube as opposed to being used for another site? Because, yeah, I don't use this phone for anything anymore. I got the Samsung S charging. I got the Samsung S22 that I use, and then the Samsung S20 is what I started on. But I use it to record the videos and use it solely for the YouTube streaming right here. I don't use it for streaming anywhere else, Newfall, if that's what you're asking. Okay, just got home. Now I know I'm the old man in the chat, but I have to say the trend with Gen Z doing that, I'm not... Yeah, that is a little... It is, Tim, I can see it, but I will say this, man. I think a lot of that is engagement farming as well, because I've seen a lot of those videos, dude, and I think a lot of it is they're kind of making fun of Gen Z, because these people can't be that stupid. I mean, they really can't be. So I think a lot of it, they see it triggers a certain response. It hits the comments up. People share it. Oh my God, look how dumb this person is, right? They share it, and then, it's just what's trending right now. So I think a lot of it is, satire or whatever. But I've seen those as well, and they trigger responses. And dude, shorts, TikToks, whatever it is, they love it when you can trigger a response, man. So I want to thank you for answering all my questions. You're truly the best. Sorry for those questions. No. Giovanni, I'm going to tell you right now, those questions are never a pain, right? Questions are never a pain. If I do miss some, please just, throw the question back in there or whatever. But I love being able to answer as many questions as possible, having fun. Literally, I would rather do a live stream any day than scroll through comments and try to convey the same point in a comment, because so much gets lost in text like that it's nowhere near the same. So I would try my best always, not to answer every comment on the video, but to answer every comment in the live streams. That's why I do these live streams. There's no burn wallet or address. You might be able to find an official Binance coin burn wallet though, Dark Bro. I was actually thinking about a so-called roadmap earlier. There you go, create a dead wallet. Well, you could create a dead wallet, but you might be able to find a Binance Smart Chain dead wallet or something like that you'd be able to send those Binance Smart Chain tokens to. Clearbro does have hold on now, AMC Trapper. You don't know nothing. You subscribe to that? I don't know. You a paid member over there? What's going on? Huh? All right, moving on. Burn 5% at 1,000, 15% at 10,000, 20% at 50,000, another 100% at 10%. Dude, if you got up to 500,000 holders, I mean, think about that, dude. Think about 500,000. You're talking Shiba level holders at 500,000, man. That is a huge... Dude, there's no way you'd even need to take it anywhere near that, Dark Bro. Anywhere near that. I'm telling you, man, you could get a $10 million coin well before you'd have that many holders. You don't need to set your sights on goals that are so ridiculously high to see your success. Dude, if you got a 43 holder coin up to 1,000 holders, you're killing it, man. I'm dead serious. You're killing it. Tim, yeah, and then And we could do it with Brocoin, man. That's what I'm talking about. Video yourself loading in on a cold storage wallet. Kenneth, that's actually a good idea. But you never know if the dude, you know, because I know some of those videos where they break their iPhones. I know they cut that thing and then smash the iPhone that's already broken, and they mess with you on that. But Kenneth, you are right. But can you ever really trust a video of the dude just lighting a cold storage wallet on fire? Because theoretically, if you still had the keys, let's say you did run over your cold storage wallet, if you still had the keys, you could access that on the blockchain. Oh man, with a new cold storage wallet. But I like the idea. I like the idea a lot. Oh gosh, should we go with the roses? Take it for the rose. 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 You know, I've noticed that those things have not been on my feed as much as they have in the last 2 weeks. I'm hoping that trend is slowly dying down a little bit, but I still see those. I still see some people every now and then. Dark Bro, send it to my wallet. I promise I'll let it there. Yeah, Dark Bro, if you want to send it to my wallet as well, I do. I'll sign a contract with you that I will not move those tokens for 50 years, and I'll just pass them on to the next generation. Or I'll put them in a trust and pass them on to the next generation to see what happens with it. Heck yeah, Kenneth. Does anyone sell Pudgy a Penguin NFTs yet? Not me. I'm not the only fans again. JB, man, these guys are crazy, aren't they? Clay, how is that RNT coin doing today? Rencom Network. Let's take a look. Rencom Network. Ooh, it's down 6% today, man. Rencom Network sitting at 65 cents, down 6.19 cents. Has this only been on a day? Has this only been on a day? I'm only showing it like a day's charting here on CoinMarketCap. I forget if this coin was brand new or what. Sitting at 65 cents, man. Bro, I'm all or nothing. Dark Bro, let's go, dude. So much Shiba should I buy back in? Master, it's up. Now, listen, Master. Why are you questioning buying back in? Why did you sell your Shiba? If you can answer both of those questions, you know, you definitely can answer it better than I can. Okay? I don't know why you sold. If you sold because you literally hate the developers and you can't stand the stagnation and you couldn't deal with the bear market, well, maybe you should buy back in at just a lesser pace, right? Buy back in with a little bit less coins so you're not so emotional around them. If you sold because you truly believe the project is not going anywhere and it's going to go down from now on, why would you buy back in? What changed your mind to now make you believe that Shiba Inu coin is going to rise in value? If you answer those questions, man, you're gonna answer it better than I ever could for you. Pika Power! Thank you very much for the super chat. Pika says, thank you, Clay and Bros. The Pikachu made my day, or made today the best day ever. Have an awesome day. And you know what? Just because you mentioned it again, and it was the same price as a Pika chat, you got La Pika Pika, La Pika Pika, La Pika 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 Pika, La Pika 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 Pika, La Pika Pika, La Pika Pika, La Pika 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 Pika, La Pika 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 Pika, La Pika Pika, La Pika Pika, La Pika 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 Pika. La Pika 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 Pika. Last time, you guys better do it with me. La Pika Pika, La Pika Pika, La Pika 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 Pika. La Pika 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 Pika. Yes, Pika. Thank you very much for the super chat. Dead serious. J-Bones, man. I am so glad that you sent that there. And now you guys have unlocked the hidden super chat that you didn't even know you had. And now you do. Pika, thank you very much, and I hope that you do have the best day ever. Leashes for the developers' pockets, bonus for the developers' pockets, Shiboshis are for the developers' pockets, Playside Studios that was for William Volk's pocket, Metaverse land cells, developers' pockets, John Richmond, I don't know what they ever did with that, Welly's pockets in that one. Little Squirrel told me Claybro was on, what, Feedify? What the heck is Feedify, man? Is that a good one? Gotta go. Stay blessed, all. JB, absolutely, man. Sup, bro? What's going on, Crypto DMO? 2 months. 2 months? Oh, it's been out for 2 months? Why does it only show me a day worth of volume on CoinMarketCap, man? I love it. Sandra, absolutely. Oh, I know what time it is when AMC Trapper comes in with the peace out of the diamond-handed apes. It is 5 o'clock, ladies and gentlemen. Beautiful way to end the stream right there with the little pika pika. Hey, bro, I'm about to make it 50%. Hold your horses. Get it, get it, get it. Dark Bro, get it. Dark Bro's going to make it 50%. Is all of you guys are getting your names in the chat right now. Make sure... if you want a shout out, I mean, you don't have to get your name in the chat if you don't want to get your name in the chat. Click the like button on the way out. Watch the videos 10 times tonight. You guys have no idea how much it helps if you actually watch the video. Get it some watch time, because then YouTube recommends it to another 10 people. But click the like button on it, leave 5 comments on it, and you know, I really don't mind if you spam the comments. Like, don't do it ridiculously. Leave a couple comments if you want, just while you're watching the video. Have a conversation with somebody down there. Dude, if you have a conversation, just, oh, who else is watching right now? Like, if you have a conversation with somebody down in the comments while you're watching the video, it really increases the engagement, and YouTube's like, let's send this video out to somebody else. Anyway, let's do these shout-outs, guys. Enjoy your evenings. Crypto DMO, see you later, man. Nufo, Richard, Sandra, AMC Trapper saying, peace out of the diamond-handed apes. Brian Searing, enjoy it. Frank, man, see you later. Pudgy saying, peace out of the diamond-handed king, AMC Trapper. See you later, Pudgy. Have a great afternoon with your daughter, the Pumpkin Patch, man. 775 Bree Guy, bye to you. Dark Bro, see you later. Richard, enjoy it, man. AMC Trapper, peace out to you. Clay, thoughts. Southpaw Slinger, give you thoughts tomorrow. Nufo, AMC Trapper, boom, baby. Brian Searing, Bull Run is coming, baby. Absolutely. Peace out to you, man. Tim, see you later, man. Southpaw Slinger, enjoy it. Crypto Master, Old Rounder Bro, Crypto DMO. What do we got here? Southpaw Slinger, Roulette Wheel, Eddie Zamora, enjoy it. Gorilla Invictus, Mark L, Southpaw Slinger, Timmy. Thank you very much for the green name. Oh, yes. Nufo to Puto. Nufo grabbing that green name. Looking good on you, man. You guys never look so good in green, Tim. Thank you very much for that green name. Guys, throw a thank you out to Tim right there for throwing that green name in the chat. I'm glad Nufo got it, but if you didn't get it, come back tomorrow, you get another one. Make sure your gift receiving is enabled, though. Nufo, man, enjoy it. See you later. Master, bye, bro, to you. Thanks, Clay. Have a great day. You as well, Sandra. Appreciate you being in here. Tim, man, see you later. Nufo, he's a crying. Yes, yes, yes. Crypto DMO, you're not green yet, man, but maybe one day you could be. J-Bones, peace out. Thank you very much for the Peak of Power Super Chat on that one. Crypto Master, see you later. Richard, see you later. Dark Bro, here we go. 50%. Dark Bro's got it on that one. 50% as we sign off. Let's see where this man is at right here. Did he hit the 50? Did he hit the 50? Did he hit the 50? He hit the 50, ladies and gentlemen. 51% owner of Shib right there. All of you guys, Crypto Master, Dark Bro, Nufo, Dark Bro, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.